Okay, this is your homework help for Thursday the 5th. Okay, this is the first problem I'm going to help you with is number 5, and then I'm going to help you with number 9. So I'm going to change the page. So number 5 says 10 11ths divided by 5/6. So the first thing I want to look at is, do I have any mixed numbers or whole numbers? The answer is no. So I'm going to remember my K, C, F. So the first thing I'm going to do is keep the first fraction, 10 11ths. I'm going to change the division to multiplication, and then I'm going to flip the second fraction, 6/5. That's your reciprocal. Now, there's two ways to do this. One way, you can multiply straight across and then simplify, or I'm going to simplify before I multiply. So if I look at 10 and 5, I know that 5 will go into 10 and 5 will go into 5. 5 will go into 10 2 times, 5 will go into 5 1 time. At this point, 11 and 6, the only thing going to it is 1, so I'm done. Now I'm going to multiply. 2 times 6 is 12. 11 times 1 is 11. Where 12 11ths is correct, I can simplify it by changing it to a mixed number. So I put 12 in my box, 11 on the outside. Does 11 go into 1? No. Will 11 go into 12? The answer is yes, 1 time. And my answer is going to go clockwise, so it's going to be 1 and 1/11. If you did not want to do it by simplifying before you multiply, you can still get the same answer. So if you still don't want to, you still have to do your KCF. But this time, you're going to keep the first fraction, change, and when you multiply, you're going to get 60 over 55. I still have to divide it. Does 55 go into 6? No. Will 55 go into 60? Yes, 1 time. I get 5. So when I get my answer, I'm going to go to the next page, 1 and 5/55. Where now I have to simplify at the end by taking out the 5. So you're going to divide by 5 no matter what. And I'm still going to get the same answer, 1 and 1/11. Now, the first time I did it, it was easier, I thought. Okay, number 9, I have 2 mixed numbers, so I want to change them to improper first by multiplying, adding, bringing over. Multiply, add, bring over. So the first one, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11 over 3. The second one, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8 over 3. So that's my fractions. Now I still have to do my KCF. So now I'm going to do my KCF. Keep the first fraction, change to multiplication, and take the reciprocal of the second fraction. And again, I like to simplify before I multiply. So I notice that 3 and 3 have a common factor of 3. So now it's easier to multiply. 11 times 1 is 11. 1 times 8 is 8. It's still improper. So 8 doesn't go into 1. 8 will go into 11 1 time. 11 minus 8 is 3. So my answer is going to be 1 and 3/8. That's an 8. If I did not want to simplify first, I would still do my KCF. 11 thirds times 3 over 8. I'm going to get 33/24. I still have to change it to a mixed number. but this time I'm going to get 1 and 9/24. I still have to simplify it by 3. When I simplify it by 3, I'm still going to get 1 and 3/8. So either way, you're going to get the same answer. So I don't care which way you do it as long as you get the same answer. Hope this helps.